Welcome to the future of technology, where artificial intelligence is transforming industries and reshaping careers. Are you ready to take the leap into this exciting field? Then look no further than the Artificial Intelligence Training by Indian Cyber Security Solutions. AI is no longer the future, it's happening now. And to stay ahead in this fast-paced world, you need cutting-edge skills. Our comprehensive AI training program at Indian Cyber Security Solutions is designed to make you an expert, ready to tackle real-world challenges. We are proud to be one of the most trusted AI training institutes across India, 21,000 ratings, and a 4.8-star average. With overled by AI and cybersecurity experts with years of industry experience, our program goes beyond textbooks. You'll work on hands-on projects, learning through real-world case studies and simulations to ensure you gain practical experience. Are you ready to kickstart your career in artificial intelligence? Enroll now and be a part of the AI revolution. The future is waiting for you.